Check out this Kia 2020 Sorento 2.4 LLX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, automatic full-time, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.